Hey guys, Lauren here. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get the perfect red lip that will last all night. So if you want to see this look, keep watching. My first step is always to prep the lips. So I do that by exfoliating and hydrating. So today I'm going in with a cherry lip scrub. With this agave lip mask. I'm going to leave it on for a few minutes and then wipe it off. This is especially important if you'll be using a matte lipstick. Wipe it off really, really well because you want to make sure you have a really nice dry base to start your lipstick. Next, I'm going in with my favorite red lip liner by Makeup Forever. Choose a lip liner that's not too light or too dark for your red. And what I do is for really, really long lasting application, I actually fill my lips entirely, not just line them. Now I'm ready for my first layer of lipstick. Today I'm using Givenchy Le Rouge in the color Granite Nocturne. So I'm just going to apply this all over. And in between layers, the step is really, really important. I'm going to blot off any excess and then go over with a thin layer of facial powder. The facial powder really makes a huge difference in keeping it in place. I find that if I put a little bit of powder on my lips between each layer, it lasts all night, even through drinking and eating, no reapplication necessary. So just put a little bit of powder on your fingers and blot it on. Now I'm ready for my second and final layer of lipstick. When you wear dark lip colors, you can really see if there's any bleed. So my final step is to go in with a thin little concealer brush and just sort of paint the edges. This gives you a really crisp line and makes your lips pop. And just like that, you have the perfect bold lip that will stay all night. Thank you for watching.